2, 1, 2. There. Okay. Aha. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 5. Jowa chitachi.
Chejo.
Mukaga.
Sisobola kulya mu nyumba yo.
Awo munzijewo.
Oli mu nyumba yo. Wano munda.
Ye ni rule.
Kale.
Omunkubye. Ukazi.
Nkutwala wano.
Ezo rule shisha.
Ofuna mukaga ochitwala.
Dina bade manyidi wekati wokakuba kadaeno ofuna mukaga. Kakati ochitwala.
Those are the simple rules. We play simple rules or complex.
So these are complex.
Yeah.
You know where the word kene came from? No, kene is actually a natural word, meaning one. Yeah. Katika wachija. Woo. Mukaga. Pa. Mukaga. Then nesatu. 1, 2, 3. Whatever. Kati wanofanya 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm in the safe place. Don't you care? Safe place.
Wajita safe place.
Tosola kulia.
1, 2, 3. Kati ate you rule badi sima. Kene. Kati wanogumu mbili satu. Tuzane wakajawo bujachali wani. Wait. Nyina yo kamuko kake kazanyi.
Iye. Nakugambi nambi. Tano zizi.
Kati Shadraka luddo kusomera omumuzanya sawa meka. Luddo kusomera omumuzanya sawa meka.
So we had this work, It was to create a game or combine multiple different games. Me and my friend, we decided to combine snakes and ladders, which is on the back of this, with Uno or Matatu.
Who won?
Me.
How?
See, first I had Tata in my house and I was here, like 1 away from my home. Then he got 6 after 6 after 6. And then after he got his piece back, took it all around, mpaka he reached here. And I was still here from when he had begun here.
Yeah.
So then after we were in a battle, I needed a 1 and he needed a 2. Immediately, I get the 1.
Oh my God. Black was on your side. Tata, what do you feel like?
I don't feel so much at loss. Nange nwanye ko I got out of jail. I went to my house, I got out of my house, fought. Paka kubide kwemu kusatu. You know, I missed by 3 and he won by 1. So it was a manly fight, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was a good game.
Did you know Shadrach knows how to play Ludo? Tata, don't you think it's time to revise the school we take Shadrach to? He said, did you hear what he said? He said they play Ludo at school.
Yeah, which is a good thing actually. Singabazanya Ludo, no so Muganda, ne Matatu, that's okay. But also, do you guys play do you play Duru? Tobanyi kuzanya Duru tope. I think you should learn it. I'll teach you the game. It's a ground game.
How do you feel beating Tata?
I feel good. First he wanted to spare me and then I told him I want a fair game because if I win and he tells me I spared you on this part and I spared you on this part, I wouldn't feel like I actually won. But now I won by 2. So close.
Yeah.
Probability was on my side.
Yeah.
You were just lucky.